Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Claire here with Destined Creativity. If this is your first time, I'm so glad to have you. So this DIY is a simple chandelier that I made out of party beads. It's very simple to make. All the other material, I'll link them in my description box. Let's get started. So I'm going to be using this hanging basket. I got this from the Dollar Tree. If you don't have this, maybe you can use hoops as well. And also I'm going to be using lots of party beads. If you have them in the same color, that would be great. I had them mixed, but I was going to spray paint them either way. I'm also going to use this lid. This was 3.8 inches in diameter. Now I kept working not knowing my camera was off, but basically I used hot glue together with E6000 to attach the popsicle stick onto the hoop. And so right now I'm just lining up the inner end of the lid because I noticed I couldn't attach the beads direct onto the lid. So I used the hot glue to line it up and then clean the whole arrangement. And as you can see inside here, the stick is firmly attached onto the hoop, and this is the gauze wire that is lining up the inner lid. So I'm going to be using hot glue to attach these beads onto the basket on 3 points. That's the up on the lid, then on the ram, and then down. I used just the hot glue because I realized it would really work, and they were strong enough. So I noticed these beads don't have the same spacing between them, so I tried to just make them equivalent for all the beads that were going to be hanging. So I counted 38 for the upper part, and then the down rounding part was just 20 beads, and then the rest was just falling down. They were not so equivalent, but it was close to that. Yeah. It became a little bit hard when I was adding the beads more and more because they were so close to each other. So maybe if you can have a bigger lid, that can help. But I just took my time and I wasn't worried about the glue being all over because I will clean it up before I spray paint the whole setting. So altogether I used 46 lines of these beads, and so now I'm just cleaning it up because you don't want to touch this arrangement so much after spray painting because the paint might come off. And also I used this spray paint, the silver metallic spray paint, to paint my whole setting. I cut off the extra beads that were hanging that I didn't want because I don't want to do any cutting after the painting. And this is how it looks like after the paint. I had to give it 2 coatings because the colors would still show a little bit. But if you don't want to spray paint, you can just use the silver beads right away, or the white beads, or the color that you want. So I decided to use this flower bling to cover up because I didn't want the whole glue attachment right there on the realm. So I just used the hot glue first, and I noticed the bling was not really attaching, so I had to add E6000. A stronger glue together with the hot glue to attach them. I'm also going to attach the flower bling up on the lid using the hot glue. At this point, the hot glue was just enough. This is how my final piece looks like. I think it's very elegant and simple. So I also decided to put some lights. I just had only the string lights. They are remote controlled, so that's what I put in the middle, but I'll get better lighting for it. And I just love the way it really looks. If you did love it as well, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I have other DIY videos in my description box. Please don't forget to check them out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye.